You've probably seen this kind of table before. A few group rows, and right underneath them a bunch of sub-rows that belong to each group. Pretty common in reports exported from older systems, where data is visually grouped, but not structurally. Now what we actually want. Each group's price should include all sub-prices below it, and sub-rows should disappear. So how do we teach Power Query to understand that structure, where there is no group ID or parent column? Let's build it step by step. First, we need Power Query to tell the difference between a group and a sub. The most obvious clue here is the word group itself in the item column. I'll create a new step and use table.transform_columns function. So the first step is to keep those group names and turn everything else into blanks. The first argument is our source table, and the second argument is our transformation. Open the figure brackets and type item, the name of our column. The logic of our transformation is following. If text starts with group, then take the actual value, else null. The underscore symbol here represents the current value. So if this text starts with group, keep it, otherwise replace it with null. It's like drawing invisible break lines before each group. Now Power Query knows where each section begins. Okay, now we have something like this. We can already see the pattern. The blank rows below each group belong to that group. So let's fill those blanks down. Right-click and choose Fill Down. Now it looks like this. Now every sub-row clearly says which group it belongs to. That's the key transformation. We've just given our data a hierarchy. Now that each row knows its parent group, we can collapse everything together. All we need is to group by the item column and sum the prices. Under the hood, Power Query is now taking all rows that share the same item value and summing their prices. So all those group 1 rows become a single row with a total of 145. And here is our clean result. No subs, no duplicates, no mess. Each group now includes its all sub-values automatically. So what did we actually do? We turned a visually structured table into a logically structured one. That's a key skill for analysts, because most raw data isn't neatly organized. It's simple, powerful and reusable, whether you are rolling up cost centers, subcategories or regional totals. And how would you solve it? Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget, the more likes the video gets, the more challenges I'll cover in future tutorials. See ya!